friends, and today I want to show you how can you make the glitch scroller in BlockBros. Like, you could do this. The amount of blocks. Do you want to? Example. Let's do this. And if you don't know why it is like that, let me try. So you're gonna use the lava blocks, for example. Actually, I could do this. And before we can get into the round, I want to say that if Lucky7 watches this, it'll be very funny because the glitch scroller and BlockBros glitch, I think it literally crashes your game. But it does not crash your game. Oh my gosh. So, if you play the level and you see this, let's wait. Now let's wait for a while. Boom! 4 of the lava blocks escape. If you don't know what I mean, when the lava blocks are all being stuck down, 4 of them just escaped. They just escaped. Oh my gosh. You better believe this. This is absolutely real. So, I want to release a hole for the BlockBros player to go. I want to see if I can. And that'll not be good. Let's wait now. And I want to see what happens if I die in there. You actually die in lava because lava is a hot rock. It's a hot molten rock. Okay. Now it is done for today's episode. So I'm going to see you in the next video for this. Well, what do I mean? What do I mean? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See ya!